What's going on, everybody? We are live at the tin shop once again. This video is going to be a little different. We're not going to do any cosmetic this time. Now we're going to do some power mods. We got the M340 here, and today we are going to install a CTS cold air intake. It was like, I think, $300 for the intake. Installation doesn't look too bad. I'm going to run you guys through the full process of installation. So I laid out basically everything on the floor. This is the best way to do it, really, so you can see every single part. Pulled everything out of the box and just laid everything out on the floor so I could see every little screw and every piece for the intake. So first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna unplug this, actually unscrew it. So there's two bolts here and they just basically just unscrews. We're just gonna let that hang. Next up, we're gonna start removing stuff from it. So I'm gonna start loosening all these bolts and we'll go from there. All right, so check it out. So this piece comes out, and the best way to get it out is just unscrew the clamp that's right here. We unscrewed it and it kind of fell in the car, which is fine. That's meant to happen. It's totally fine. Once you unscrew this, you just gotta pull it a little bit and this comes out. And yeah, this whole top piece basically just comes out just like that. Before we get any farther, I gotta grab that clamp. So let me get it. Should I grab the turbo? No? Okay. Ah! Sweet. So we got the stop clamp out. So now that we got the top of the airbox down, and we gotta get the bottom. Basically, there's these little like clamp things that hold the top and the bottom of the airbox together. You literally just push the side right here to the left or right, and it literally comes right out. Basically, just gonna take the ones I can get out, slam them. All you gotta do is pull this up. Just give it some just don't be afraid to pull it up. It's gonna struggle a little bit. Just literally rip it up, and it comes right out. A little bit of stuff's in there. Looks like a little bit of leaves. BMW technology right there. But now that we got this piece out, come back in here and you'll kind of see it's like kind of a little bit of an area over here. I think that these stay in. I'm not too sure yet. We'll find out in a little bit, but for now I'm just gonna leave them. Next piece, I gotta get this piece off right here. I see a clamp. Just gotta find the bolt for it. All right, so we just got this clamp off, which is connected to this inlet here. Basically, to get this off, it's connected like this. All you have to do is take like a flathead or something, stick it between it and kind of like pry it up. So once you get that out, it should just literally pull right up. Got to give it like a little bit of like a tug and it just comes off just like that. So that's that piece. So you can check it out inside real quick. So check it out. So now we are gonna get ready to start installing the actual intake itself. The CTS gives two of these pieces right here. So I believe that the larger piece connects first to the bottom. So it goes right here. So I had to put the clamps on it still, but just so you guys see where. Now we're gonna throw in this heat shield real quick. Heat shield doesn't come with any bolts or anything like that. For this piece, that's by the turbo. It is basically just like this little clip here. So the way you throw this in is super simple. It comes with 4 of them. I lost one, so now we're doing it with 3. But basically what you do is you put that smaller piece on there like that. All right, guys, sorry about that. My camera didn't record what we thought it recorded, but we got the intake in. I'm gonna run it through real quick so you guys can see it a little bit quicker. Hose goes in here. This hose will give you a little bit of problem to get onto this inlet, which is fine, just force it on there. And then you're gonna screw in one of the clamps that comes with the intake system to the bottom, and then there's one to the top, and then you have the elbow right here. And basically that's it. You just put it to how you want. Something that sucks that I didn't know until we tried installing it, the secondary heat shield does not fit on the 2021s. It does fit on the 2020s. Couple like missing pieces here. So this is supposed to be something else that the 2020s have that the 2021s don't. These two pieces that go there don't align, which sucks, but we're gonna roll with it anyway. The heat shield that blocks the turbo though does fit, so that's a pretty good thing, I guess. But other than that, I mean, it looks pretty cool. I'm gonna start it up, give it some revs, some flybys, post it up, and we'll see what happens. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, it sucks that the secondary heat shield does not fit on the 2021s, but I'm gonna roll with it, see what happens. The good thing is though, like I said before, the turbo heat shield does fit, so that's good. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Follow me on Instagram at BusterT345 and get ready for much more content coming every single week.